What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to add the border around your video. So the first thing you have to do is just to drag your video straight from your playlist straight to your timeline. Then after doing that, you just drag it to, we need about 2 tracks, but I just made 3 tracks. Don't ask me why. Then after you doing that, you go straight to open other, you go straight to color, then you just add your color. So your color is generally like how you want your border to look like. For me, I want my border to be white. Just go straight to white, then you add it straight to your timeline. Then you just drag it, make sure like your white background is behind like your video. You make it to belong like your video. Then you go straight to your video. Depending on how your project it is, you can just do it straight here, or you can also do it straight from your track. If you have a multiple like videos cutting one another, you can do it straight. You can do the same thing here on the video track level, but I will be doing it straight to the video track. Just go straight to there, then you just right position, then you go straight to your position, click your position, then you go downwards. Then from the zoom size, you come here, you just write I just write 95. So what I did, I just zoom out my video 95%, so it will look like there's a border, like the white thing, it will look like there's a border in the white thing. So that's how guys you add a border. So you can also like try to edit until like it is exactly what you want. You know, you can also do it like that. You see, then it will look like there's a border over your video. Thank you so much guys, hope to see you on the next one. I hope guys you really enjoyed this one. It was very straightforward and straight to the point. Hope to see you on the next one. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.